with its 3.0-liter turbo inline-six borrowed from the M4 producing 405 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. The BMW M2 Competition is already a beast, but that has and stopped aftermarket tuners from extracting more power from the high-performance coupe. G-Power is the latest tuner to have a go at improving the M2 Competition with a new performance kit, and the results are impressive. If you can wait for the new M4 to arrive, this could be a worthy alternative. G-Power has modified the turbochargers, added a stainless steel exhaust system, remapped the ECU and made a few other adjustments. As a result of these modifications, the BMW M2 now produces a substantial 680 horsepower and 634 lb-ft of torque, meaning the 3.0-liter twin-turbo, six-cylinder delivers an extra 266 horsepower and 229 lb-ft of torque compared to the stock version. This extra muscle gives the M2 Competition supercar levels of performance. 0-62 mph in G-Power M2 Competition takes just 3.2 seconds and it maxes out at 205 mph, that a full second quicker than the standard M2 Competition and nearly 30 mph faster than the M2 Competition with the M driver package. Impressively, it also only 0.2 seconds slower than the 661 horsepower Ferrari 488 GTB, which has an identical top speed. G-Power also offers coilover suspension to improve the handling and 20-inch forged wheels. The full package costs around $22,467 in Germany, that on top of the base price of the M2 Competition, which brings the total cost to around $80,000. This is around the same price as the M4 Competition, but it's surprisingly good value considering G-Power's M2 Competition is significantly more powerful.